Nodalo Join, red side. Double time, Nodalo Join, red side.
After this match, we will have
Nodalo. Red side, Nodalo, red side. Nodalo Join, red side.
Last call. Lopez, Joel Shagavin, Aiden Daga.
Mitante, J-Reel, blue side, standby. Mitante, J-Reel.
Double time, please.
Minus 55 kilogram your men committed. Baguio John Bernard, raise your hand. Baguio from JKS. Gabuna Jeremy, standby. Gabona Jeremy, standby. Gabona. Ganabel nas Maluyo.
Minus 47,
Gabona.
girls committed.
Gabon.
Pag-amat now, please.
Capel Miguel,
Double
blue
time,
side.
Aiden.
Dahunan, red side. Kalipusan, red side.
Winner.
Blue side. Kalipusan, blue side.
Time. Please prepare. Couple players.
Winner, Logico Guinness Joel Gold. Ongayo Sos Silver. Congratulations. Please proceed to the award
Let's go back
area.
to 10 to 11 years old open committee.
Next
boys.
bout.
Herrera,
Yes,
Aka, Bowman
17
Way out.
kilograms boys committee. Cabrera Sos, Anthony John Aka, Yak Erwin Seth out. Cabreros, Legis committee.
Kumama Chloe.
Bowman Way, raise your hand. Herrera, raise your hand. Herrera.
Kapon Chanel. Kapon Chanel.
Shihan, Shihan.
Ready na.
Miralles, raise your hand. Miralles. Aka.
Montessor Samantha.
Miralles. Aka, raise your
Montessor
hand.
Samantha.
Miralles Lexus, raise
Panigo
your hand.
Jocelyn. Alfante Mary.
Sapan,
Alfante
Pao,
Mary.
raise your hand. Sapan. Next tayo.
Sisante Rice. Sisante Rice. Arimpoyo. Winner, Aka. Lopez Joyce Rice. Next bout, couple clearance. This is Abikibel John Bill. Please step on the mats now. Abikibel John Will. JKS Philippines CPA. Ikarma Angel. Ikarma Angel. Calling Abikibel John Will from JKS Philippines CPA.
Minus 60 kilograms senior men committee. Minus 60 kilograms senior men committee. Please proceed to top 2.
Double time, Abikibel John Will. Caballeria Tifa. Caballeria Tifa. Mayon Pinky. Mayon Pinky. Cabuenas Jill. Cabuenas Jill. Claridad Princess. Claridad Princess. Kapihi Hillary Rosen. Kapihi. Caballero Sean.
Please proceed to the mats.
Caballero